Hey everybody, so I put these gutters on several years ago. They have the gutter guards in them, and I want to show you what to expect. I already showed you what it's like when it's raining, so you can see how much water's coming off them. So we're going to go up top, just using a standard blower. You can see the gutter guards, they got some age on them. They've been in there for a little while. Got a little bit of dirt down at the end, so I do recommend very carefully getting up on your roof. Let's see, the backside's normally a little worse. Oh, got a nice little tree limb over there, so we got to get that off here too. Got a little bit of limbs up here. See, we get a little bit of blowing. Never hurts to keep a snake on your roof in case you got an issue with squirrels. Definitely keep those crickets clear. You don't do that, you're gonna have roofing issues. So I get a decent amount of fall foliage. This is right before fall. I have not been up here in easily a year, and this is what I'm looking at. So obviously if you got pine needles, you're gonna have a bit more, but so I'll get these up. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to worry about every little stick, but you know, you can buy these things with an adapter that reaches up if you don't want to get up on your roof, or obviously if you got a two-story house or a very steep roof. I'm going to recommend you pressure wash your house every year anyways. Low pressure, that is. That's very important, low pressure. Oh, there you go. That's a good little, this has always been a bad spot. So that loves to collect a lot. So gumball attack. So, I'm not going to worry about that any further. It's going to be fine every year. The sun hits it, cleans it out. See that little hole right there? You're going to get gumballs once in a while. Pine needles will do the same thing. So the point of this is just to make sure that you understand that these gutter guards do a great job keeping, you know, the water flowing into the gutter so you don't get trenching around your house. Gutter guards are not maintenance free. They're never 100% maintenance free. They're going to require a little bit of TLC. And so you should be up on your roof. Someone should be up on your roof once a year doing this, no matter if you're on a two-story. By the way, we just sided that house. Doesn't that look real good? Yeah, I sided that house. I did the windows in that house. I did the windows in that house. I did the siding in the windows. No, yeah. Well, I did the sliding glass door in the back, and I did the siding. Let's see. That one story on the other side of that cedar, we did that window job. And there's actually one right behind that house. You can't see it, but I did their siding. So that's it. That's how to make sure you keep this maintained, blow all this stuff off your roof, clean those gutters, and that's what you need to do on a regular basis, and you should be good to go.